Do you know that if you come down to ElevenLabs right here, you can see this is my dashboard, and you come down here, you click on this your profile icon, and you scroll down here, you're going to see right here they say pay out right here, and you're going to see where they say become an affiliate. Or what you have to do, just come down here and click on become an affiliate. They say become an affiliate and earn with every recommendation. Sign up for affiliate program. What this actually means that you can actually sign up for ElevenLabs affiliate program, and you can share your referral link to as many people as possible. Remember that this is the world of AI, and there are a lot of people that want to create voiceovers, that want to do a lot of stuff, and ElevenLabs actually offer that particular type of service, because with ElevenLabs you can actually create audios, generate music, clone voices, and do a lot of stuff with AI. Recently they even have video generation and a lot of other features added into their software. So this is actually an opportunity for you to make money online. I know most of you are actually confused. Don't be confused, because I've actually gathered 5 random ways or 5 random methods you can use to make money online this new month. By the way, this is December. Welcome to December. Happy new month. Just type happy new month in the comment section. And if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Solomon. I share different side also ideas right here on my YouTube channel. If you want to get more content from me, give this video a thumbs up, like the video, share the video, and do want to subscribe to my channel for more content coming your way. Thank you very much. And if you have not joined my community, what are you waiting for? Just click on that join button and join the community. Don't forget, comment where you're watching from down in the comment section. I'm not saying after watching this video you're going to start making money online. Making money online requires a lot of work, a lot of hard work, a lot of dedication, and a lot of commitment. But I believe you're going to learn something that might actually help you in your side hustle journey this particular new month. I know most of you like watching movies, I know, but what if you can actually earn money from this particular movie streaming softwares? I mean, that is actually possible. There's an app right here called Loklok. Another thing I noticed about them is that they change their apps a lot. You have the opportunity to earn coin because they reward you in coin. You can see they say newbie guide. So let me click on that newbie guide right there. And you can also see that you can also invite your friends right here on this platform, and you also get some reward. You can see they say just join, don't know how to make money. You can see this is actually a tutorial they show on how you can actually use the app to earn extra cash for yourself. I just got 100 points after watching that particular video, because they are going to give you a tutorial video. Do you want to use my invite code so they can get some point for yourself? One of the most surest way you can use to make money for Christmas is through clipping, or you can call it content clipping. Now, I'm saying this is one of the most surest way because this is something that actually works, you understand? And there are a lot of clipping platforms that offer you to clip videos, and you actually make money from clipping videos. So for example, even a platform like TikTok also offer clipping, because there is something they call work with artists on TikTok that they can actually join, and you use people's music, you create videos with people's sound, you use people's sound, and you make money from that. One of the easiest platforms you can use to start clipping is this particular platform right here called whop. Right, whop. Remember I said there are a lot of other clipping platforms, but this is one of the easiest. All what you have to do is just for you to look for a content reward program right here. This particular one, they pay you up to $1 per 1,000 view right here, and this one is for Instagram and TikTok. The other one too, they pay you 80 cents per 1,000 view. Instagram and TikTok, this one also they pay you $1, and this one also they pay you $3 over 50,000 views. That is a lot. Clipping or content reward programs are one of the best ways you can use to make money online. Mind you, I never say it was easy. So I have actually made a step-by-step tutorial on how you can go into whop content reward program. Mind you, this particular platform has its own challenges. They might reject your video, you might create videos and finish, and the campaign is already finished. The campaign might finish without them approving your video. So there are a lot of challenges on this particular platform. I never said it was going to be easy, but it's actually possible, and it actually works, right? If you do it right, you're going to earn extra cash on this particular platform. There is this particular guy on TikTok. They call this guy Caleb. This particular guy right here came online and start trolling people and telling people that why are they buying courses, that they should just go and watch tutorials on YouTube, which is fine. What happened recently is that this guy decided to start selling courses too, because I believe the guy has actually understood that one of the best ways to make money online right now is for you to sell what you have upstairs. It's for you to sell your knowledge. And how can you actually do that? You can do that by packaging your knowledge, what you actually know. It might be a tutorial video, it might be something anything, but it should be something valuable about a specific topic. What is one of the best ways to sell your video? Now, mind you, there are a lot of marketing platforms online that you can use to sell, but I think one of the best ways you can start with this particular platform right here called Cirrden. You can actually post your videos and you can put price tags on your videos. You can post bundles, you can post single videos. I've used this method. I've been earning some extra cash for myself using this particular method, because one of the best ways to make money online is by selling what you know, what you have upstairs. If you don't have any skills, look for a skill and learn. Look for something and master. Once you master whatever you want to master, it might be an online skill, it might be marketing, it might be anything. After you master that, you decide to teach other people what you know. For those of you that might want to master video editing or smartphone video editing, I'm going to drop a link for you below for you to check out a video editing course. It's actually a good way to make money online, so check out the link in the comment section or check the description of this video. I know some of you will ask me, okay, Solomon, you have talked about everything. What of investment? What if I want to invest? What can I do? What is the best way to invest, or what is one of the best ways to invest? Is by you investing into mutual fund or investing into the stock market. That's one of the best ways to invest. And how can you do that? There are a lot of methods you can use to do that. I've been preaching about this a lot, but one of the best ways you can use to start investing is by using this particular app right here called Cowrywise. That's the name of the app. Start funding my wallet, and I'm going to come over here and click on Naira stock. Click on the plus icon. From here, you can look for different stocks to buy. Let me search for MTN. I don't know if it's available. Okay, one share right here is actually 400 naira, which is expensive. Some of them are selling for 10 naira, 15 naira, 20 naira. I'm going to buy this. Let me just come here and click on MTN, and let me click on buy. Let me see if I have enough money. Market has closed. You can see they say market closed 2 minutes. Market is closed, so let me just go ahead and buy it. Market is going to open very soon. Okay, they say the minimum is 11 share. 11 share is 5,000 naira. Total everything is 5,800 naira. Let me just click on buy. I just purchased 11 shares from MTN Nigeria. MTN share is 470 naira. Now it might actually drop, it might go up, right? If it goes up, I make profit. If it drops, I make a loss. So that's why sometimes it's good to buy shares from companies when their market is down. So if you purchase like 10,000 shares of MTN stocks and it fluctuates from, let me just say 430 to 470, that's 40 naira gap, right? 40 naira times 10,000, that's like 400,000 naira in profit that you'll be making. I'm just saying hypothetically, I'm not saying that's what is going to happen, but it does happen for people that take the stock market seriously. There are people that take it seriously. There are people that monitor the market. They take it seriously because their livelihood actually depends on it. So that is what they do. But before you try the stock market, I'm going to say you should actually consult an advisor, or you should make sure you calm down and study the market. Try and be careful. Try and be smart. Always make sure you educate yourself before you go into the stock market. Choose the one you think you can actually do. Choose the one you think might actually work out for you.